There's one simple, stupid, silly reason why most South Africans can't retire, and it's because they don't understand inflation. They've heard the word, they think they know what it means, but they got no fucking idea. They don't know that it's silently stealing from them every single day, and when they get advice, they get all the advice in the world except the right advice. They don't understand the simplicity of a handful of asset classes that have a strong history of outperforming inflation, and then they end up being conservative, following the financial path that everybody else is following, all the average people, and then boom, one day they wake up at 65 and they still got to continue working because they don't have enough money. And it's as simple as that, folks. You have a couple of decades, okay, 4 or 5 decades at most to make provision for your old age. It's not your kids' responsibility to take care of you. I don't think any parent out there wants to be a financial burden to their kids when they are old, and that's exactly why we've got to take responsibility and move out of this bullshit mindset of one day, tomorrow, I'll be okay if I do what everybody else does. Start thinking in decades and start helping your future self so that you can at least retire comfortably and not be a weight on your kids' shoulders.